And staying with this probe, Delhi police has widened its ambit of the probe, in fact, into the Greta Toolkit case. A team of Delhi police raided activist Shantanu Muluk's house in Maharashtra's Beed yesterday. Police have questioned his family and scanned bank account details in a bid to find more evidence. Special cell has revealed that Shantanu took part in farmers' protest and was present at the Tikri border from the 20th of January to the 27th. Police say that Shantanu, along with accused Nikita Jacob and Disha Ravi, were involved in the toolkit matter and had attended a Zoom call organized by members of pro-Khalistani group Poetic Justice Foundation. India today has accessed a statement which has been signed off by Nikita. In fact, this is dated the 11th of February, stating that she is going to cooperate in the probe of the Delhi police. But when cops reached her house on the 12th of February, she was untraceable. Nikita and Shantanu have moved Bombay High Court for interim protection from police action. Shantanu and Nikita's hearing has been listed today. Nikita's plea is going to come up shortly. Shantanu's is going to come up by evening, is what we know.
माझं बोलणं आमच्याकडे लग्न होतं 7 तारखेला त्यावेळेस झालं होतं. मग त्या दिवसापासून माझी त्याची भेट नाही आजपर्यंत. आम्हाला शंतनूची खूप काळजी वाटायला लागलेली. तो कसा असेल, कुठे असेल आम्हालाही माहित नाही.
ते फक्त पर्यावरण काम करायचं आता आणि जे बाकी काय मला ह्यात माहिती नाही जास्त. पर्यावरणात ते नेहमी असंच झाडाची कत्तल व्हायलेली, डोंगर खलास व्हायले, असं ते चर्चा असते नेहमी.
कानून ये उसमें 22 साल की उम्र का और 50 साल की उम्र में कोई उसमें डिफरेंस नहीं करती है. और हमने सारी चीज़ को देख लिया. उसको अंततः कोर्ट में पेश किया गया. कोर्ट में जो मेट्रोपॉलिटन मजिस्ट्रेट है उसको गिरफ्तारी को सही मानते हुए उसको पुलिस हिरासत में 5 दिन के लिए दिया. तो ये जो लोग कहते हैं कि गिरफ्तारी में कोई कमी रही है वो बिल्कुल मिथ्या है.
Here's what you need to know about the key toolkit players. M.O. Dhaliwal in touch with Disha through Puneet is what we know. Disha created this particular toolkit. So here's the link that we have established. She created the toolkit, attended Zoom meetings on toolkit. Greta Thunberg, the file sent via Telegram. Greta Thunberg uploaded the toolkit, after which, remember, there was much uproar. And the Khalistani link to the Greta Toolkit case has deepened now. According to police sources, accused Nikita and Disha as well as Shantanu were actively conspiring with banned pro-Khalistani group Poetic Justice Foundation through a person called Puneet that we just mentioned. Now, since the first week of December 2020, which is last year, this had been going on, this back and forth, this conversation with this Puneet. Who is Puneet then? Puneet is based in Canada, connected the accused with the pro-Khalistani group and through them created the toolkit Google document that Greta tweeted and later deleted. According to the Delhi police, Disha, Nikita, Shantanu held a Zoom meeting on the 11th of January with M.O. Dhaliwal, the founder of the banned pro-Khalistani group Poetic Justice Foundation, to plan this particular stir on the 26th of January. This was to draft the basic contents that ultimately led to the creation of the toolkit. Disha is currently in police custody until Friday. All right, let's now trace this Khalistani link that we've been talking about, and the Delhi police has also mentioned this link to the toolkit that was tweeted by Greta Thunberg. According to Delhi police, there are 3 accused. Accused number 1, Disha Ravi. Now, what was her role really? She drafted this toolkit, held Zoom meetings with Dhaliwal. So this was her primary role in all of this. What next? Accused number 2, Nikita Jacob, who obviously the Delhi police says that is at large at this point in time. She has what she really did was that she, of course, is facing a non-bailable warrant. And accused number 3, Shantanu, the person from Beed, really who was in Tikri, at the Tikri border. His whereabouts also again not known. So these are the 3, and all of these 3 were connected to the pro-Khalistani group by Puneet, the person who's based out of Canada. So the next question really is that who is this Puneet? I mentioned he's based in Canada and he connected them to M.O. Dhaliwal is a Canada-based, who again is a Canada-based Khalistani founder of the Poetic Justice Group. They plotted the Republic Day Twitter storm. Remember that we've been talking about that the Delhi police also mentioned time and again. It was the toolkit that was drafted by all of them that later on Greta Thunberg, the activist toolkit, tweeted this toolkit for the stir, and that particular toolkit, of course, is under the probe. So eventually it boils down to this tweet of Greta Thunberg, after which essentially Disha Ravi asked Greta to be more careful. Well, and the arrest of Disha Ravi has started a huge debate, this entire nation really taking a stand for or against her arrest. And here's an impartial view on this debate. Those who are backing the activist have said that she's too young to be arrested and charged under such serious sections. And those who have said that this arrest is justified have said that she's 21 years of age and most definitely not too young to plan a conspiracy. Those backing Disha have also said that it is normal to create a toolkit during an agitation and is practiced widely for any protest. But the question then raised is, why were Khalistanis part of this toolkit gang? Why did they not do it without the involvement of these problem elements as far as the group Poetic Justice is concerned? The other argument that is being raised by the pro-Disha voices is that she may have not known about this Khalistani link. So was she really naive? That's the question. The anti-Disha gang has responded saying that she knew about the UAPA law, so she knew what she was getting into. How could she not know about the Khalistani movement? Then again, there's a debate over the manner of Disha's arrest, with some saying that legal norms have not been followed here. But those backing her say that, or rather backing her arrest, say that legal processes were followed and that there was no violation. All of this is a fair trial. Overall, those backing Disha have said that this is a dangerous precedent and it is a crackdown on young India. Those against Disha have also said that it's important to send a message, and weaponized youth have to face the law. There are no two ways about it. All right, listen now to what Justice Deepak Gupta has to say on the arrest of activist Disha.
Does this entire incident warrant the arrest of Disha Ravi, and has Section 41 of the CRPC been violated in terms of this arrest? Perhaps she could be investigated and let go of, but the arrest is now in question, sir.
See, first of all, in a democracy, one of the most important aspects of a democracy is the right to dissent.
Yes.
In my view, every law should be read in such a manner that it improves democracy. And the essence of democracy is the right to say something against the government. Sedition law was introduced in this country by an imperialistic power. And at that time also, the law was totally different in the colonial India and different in British India, in Britain itself. In England, it was a minor offense with 2 years punishment. In India, it was a major offense with life imprisonment.
Does this really warrant arrest, and is the arrest a violation of the law of the land?
See, I do not think that this warrants arrest.
Okay.
Because as per the law of the land, I'm not going to the merits of the case, but bail, not jail, is the rule. As far as I could make out from the public documents in the public domain, this girl has been cooperating with the police. It is not that she has hidden anything. Her computers were available, her phones were available.
Yes.
So what do you do by arresting her?
That's right.
It is not a punishment that you give at this stage of investigation. Arrest is only necessary if you cannot continue your investigation without arresting a person.
A series of political reactions that have been coming in as far as this particular story is concerned. Let's take a listen.
कशाव आया था पाकिस्तान से, नरसंहार कर गया, इतना बड़ा आतंक मचाया, क्या उसके उम्र के कारण तब तो उसे सजा नहीं देनी चाहिए? आज IS IPS बन जाते हैं इस उम्र में, वकील बन जाते हैं इस उम्र में. जो लोग ये बात कर रहे हैं, मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि कशाव को फांसी देना उम्र के हिसाब से गलत था या सही था। आज जो 26 जनवरी की घटना घटी, जो टूल किट आए निकल करके, उनके पूरे एजेंडा निकल के आए, शायद जिसे भारत से प्रेम होगा वो कभी इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा।
Yesterday and today, we all have seen the biggest act of the central government and the state government. The entire country has been witnessing. The voice of the youth is the voice of the country. On behalf of Karnataka and the country youth, I am condemning the arrest of Disha Ravi, who raised the voice, who gave up freedom. It is not nothing. It is just an idea which has been promoted. You can't corrupt the ideas of the young mind.
Ultimately, unless Disha Ravi, she has done something which is illegal, this police action would not have taken place. Yes, she is 21. There are many 21-year-old youths who are doing wonderful work. And she herself has spoken to Greta and said that no, police have come to know, I have to consult my lawyers, etc., etc. See, law will take its own course.
In order to support the young people are sharing informations, and how come they dub them as anti-nationals? Who gave them that authority to dub anybody who questions the government or criticizes policies as anti-national and slap sedition charges?
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.